How's it going, guys? Going off grid. We got our trenches dug on both sides, and we're getting rid of some bedrock. Some nubs sticking out, so we got to get rid of a few. We're actually making short work of that bedrock. It's pretty awesome. Anyways, just another little update. Solar is almost completely done, and we are doing things. How's it going, guys? It's going off grid, and we got our trenches dug for the solar panels. That's pretty deep. I think it's like 20 or 30 inches. I don't know. I can't remember. It's like 20 inches. 20 inches deep. We're going there for all the panels. I got another row of solar panels going behind there. We have a potential well there. We have a potential well at the back of the house. We found water at both spots. We're gonna have a septic over here. If we go with this well, we gotta be more than 100 feet away. So that's an option. This well produces more water at 8 feet than the one back there. So we'll see what happens here. Once I put my next row of panels up, I will be really close to 20,000 watts of solar, and that's my goal. We got the excavator here. We got a bunch of gravel brought in, not just any gravel, it's really good packing gravel. We got a tamper going here, just because that's all bedrock, and it's up and down and up and down, so we're going right on bedrock, and then we're putting this stuff just to make it so my forms are level. So like some spots like over there, some spots like 16 inches deep to like nothing almost, and we're tampering it down real good with a 700-pound tamp. And yeah, things are happening. We got all of our our underground PVC pipe for the solar wires. Well, actually I don't think I have enough. I bought everything Home Depot had. Bunch of junk, bunch of burnables. I got a trampoline I'm setting up for the kids. Oh, so much work, but it's fun work. I got the work trailer here. It's a mess. No time. Don't have any time for barely any cleanup, but we're keeping it fairly tidy. I got all my temporary solar wires. This is just to get the system up and running. I got 800 feet worth of 10 gauge wire on the way. Oh, I locked it. Okay, 1 second, I gotta unlock this. Okay, we got it unlocked. Gotta make some stairs for this thing. Alright, inside the shed, you got all kinds of shelving everywhere. Even got our little freezer here. So the freezer, we got all of our food and stuff in it, so we have a nice supply of food again. I need to get more lighting here. The lighting's terrible, but got one light. Got all kinds of extra batteries. Got the air conditioning set up in here. So we'll see how well this keeps up. There's no insulation in here yet other than this. Okay, I got called away there for a second. Well, we got everything hooked up. We got a new massive bus bars. They're really nice. I'm gonna figure out some sort of cover that'll work for these. So if you guys have an idea, let me know. Because these are 66 volts full charge, currently at 65. Or according to these, 65.2, 65.4, and 65.5. And then we produced 2.3 kilowatt hours, 13 kilowatt hours, and 5.2 kilowatt hours today. That's only because we hit full charge. Everything is working really, really well. I have wires dangling because I haven't finished wiring the inside yet. I got a wire going to that plug. I need to make a few more. Yeah, I don't have a whole lot more to say. Can't wait to get the house done and be well on my way.